Air fried Brussels sprouts. Just simple prep. Just take the Brussels sprouts, cut off the stem, and cut it in half. Throw it into the bowl, and jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. Just get it all done real quick. Easy to do. Then take that and transfer it into your steam basket for the Instapot, and put an Instapot with the right amount of water in. Not showing this video, but you need to put the right amount of water in. Put the top on and set it for 2 minutes. No more, no less. And make sure after 2 minutes you release the steam right away. Don't let it naturally release. And take it out as soon as you can, because it'll be too soft and be mushy if you do that. And dump it back into the bowl. And then you want to add some oil. I use avocado oil. And then some sesame oil, a little flavor there. Give it a quick stir. And then just add some minced garlic and oil. It's convenient that way. And some nutritional yeast or nooch. Just nooch it. I like a lot of nooch. And then a little pinch of salt or whatever seasonings you like to have. Give it a stir. Get that little guy back in there. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. And a little spray. More nooch. A little stir. Time to transfer it into the air fryer basket. Here you go. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Boom, 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 boom. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay. It goes in the air fryer for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And this is what it comes out looking like. Crispy, delicious Brussels sprouts.